Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. In today's video, I'm going to teach you and show you how you can get started with your own online business. Today, right now, I'm in an auditorium right now speaking to one or two students about starting an online business. I just got a break just right now and I want to go ahead and explain to you exactly what I'm going to tell them of starting your online business in 2020. I'm in this beautiful auditorium, but I want to take a few minutes to share with you the goods that I'm going to go ahead and talk to the college students about. So if this is your first time here at this channel, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below the video. And don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. It's time. It is time. Starting that online business in 2020. And why? And why? What's the benefits of starting an online business? Well, think about this. Well, I'm on a college campus right now in an auditorium, and I'm talking to about maybe 2 to 3 students about starting online business. Now, the biggest thing that they said was they wanted extra money to pay for their books and their tuition. They wanted extra money for they can go to the movies or they can go to restaurants on the weekends. They wanted extra money for they can send back to their parents, mainly because they want to help out their families. Well, I said, well, with the online business, those are benefits that an online business can bring to you. Online business, you can literally start it and you can make money online while you're in the classroom. You make money online while you're at the restaurant, while you're at the movie theaters, while you're at the beach. And the thing I was telling them is no different than learning a skill than you would in a college classroom. You got to show up on time. You got to learn the information. You got to take action with what the program is teaching you, and you definitely have to be positive with it as well. Now, results are not typical, so every result of people getting into a program, it would vary. So I tell them, like, just because you sign in does not mean you're going to make money instantly. You have to come in there, sign up, take action on the training, and go through the process like anybody else will. Just like if you're in a classroom, let's say you're in a classroom and it's a history class or even a math class. There's a process. There's a teacher teaching it, and the teacher's going to give you the information. And when you take the test, you need to learn that information before you can go ahead and pass the class. Well, with the online business, it's a little different, but it's pretty much about the similar principles. You sign up, there's training involved in it, and then after the training, you take action on the training you just did, and then you go ahead and you get some results. Now, one result could be one lead. One result can just be one sale, one small commission. I remember when I got my first small commission, it was like $7. I thought I was in Hollywood. I was on the top of the world. I was feeling good about it just because all the training I was doing equal up to at least that first sale. Then after that first sale, I got another sale. There was a $100 sale. So it kept growing in terms of me getting the information, getting the training on the information and taking action on it. Well, the benefits of the benefit. Well, online business, let me tell you like 1 or 2 extra benefits. Well, the benefit is that it's your online business, so you're going to be able to not only grow your brand and grow yourself, but you're going to be able to make that extra income for you can do extra things for yourself, and especially as a college student, because I remember me being a college student, I was broke. I didn't have any money in college. In fact, the jobs I was doing, I was working at fast food and different things like that. But an online business, the business could be working for me while I'm in the classroom. And that's what I'm going to tell these college students is that learn the online business skill set, and right below this video I do have a link for you to go ahead and sign up and get started. And when you get started, I'm going to give you a bonus to help you get started in terms of additional information, additional training that I believe can really help you grow your business soon as possible. So this is a bonus that's helped me get my first 10 sales online, and I'm going to give you exactly the same information that helped me. I'm going to help you. So when you click on that link below, I'll go ahead and send you that information when you sign up, and you can go ahead and start getting results. Now, results are not typical. I definitely have disclaimer all over this video and right below the video. If results not typical, so I have to say that because I don't want people believing that, okay, I signed up, where's my check? It does not work that way. You have to come in, plug your mindset in, plug in the training, and continue going before you get your first results. Results are not typical. So that's exactly what I'm going to tell them and exactly what I'm telling you. Starting an online business in 2020 is exactly where you need to be. And if you already have an online business, why not have an additional stream of income with this business right below this video? Right below this video, click on that link. Click on that link right below this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm getting ready to talk to these college students right in this auditorium. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget, click on that link below to get signed up, get started. You'll get the bonus when I get it to you. When you sign up, take action. When you go ahead and take action in that, I'll send you the bonus information for you can go ahead and get started in 2020. I'll see you on the next video.